Hi, my name is Scott Roth. You've probably seen me in your church or maybe on Facebook talking about all the awesome things that have been going on over the past years. Since 2011, we launched Project Haven with an initiative to heal communities one project at a time. Since then, we have launched so many different initiatives that it would take me hours to tell you all the great things that are happening since then. But a couple highlights I'd like to give you are these. We launched the Upper Perk Community Life Center, a place that students can come and adults and families and enjoy themselves in a variety of different fashions. The community center alone has been home for Bacon Fest, art nights, art shows, music events, as well as the Alternative Brew. We also had the Upper Perk Robotics Club that was launched, and that was able to go to an international competition and place in the top half of their division. All these things just don't happen by themselves. They happen with the help of you. And I want to thank you so much for the past 3 years and all the things that you've done to keep us going. The different churches that have come out and helped us clean up and refurbish the building. The monetary gifts that keep and continue to come in, as well as the prayers and the different things that have happened over this time frame. Well, right now we're at a critical moment because some of our projects are getting bigger than we ever expected. We launched Love Upper Perk as an initiative to tell the community all about all the awesome things going on and to create a platform for other communities as well to build off of. Within 1 month, we have over 1,000 likes on Facebook, and we've already started to merge with other organizations in the community to be that focal point. Project Haven continues to expand its reach into other communities like Souderton, Quakertown, Allentown, and Boyertown. With all that, we also have increased a magnitude in our relationship with the Upper Perk High School and the local nonprofits in the school district, to the point where this year we should be getting over 20 students active in the community through different projects and workforce development. All these things just can't happen by themselves. So we're asking you as individuals to step up to the plate in a variety of ways. One thing that we definitely need is more volunteers. We have all kinds of ways for you to get active in our organization that you can do things right from your home. We also are looking to have some regular giving. The gifts has been amazing, but now we need to start planning more. We're looking for 100 people to donate $50 a month. That is our goal. Right now, we have half of that met already, and we're looking to finish up the other half. We also have special projects. Different areas that maybe you or your organizational group could come out and help us in certain ways. So all these things and more can be found on our website at theprojecthaven.org, and you can see all the wonderful things that are happening. And again, we thank you for your support and your continued prayers and your support going into the future.